Hello students, today we will study sentences. What is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words which makes some sense. A sentence has a subject and a verb which expresses a statement or a question. For example, Rohan is doing his homework. In this sentence, we are having a subject and a verb. Rohan is our subject and doing is the verb. So, types of sentences. There are 4 types of sentences. First is declarative sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, and exclamative sentence. Declarative sentence. A declarative sentence is a type of sentence in which the speaker conveys information or makes statement. For example, these clothes are very expensive. Here the speaker is saying that these clothes are very expensive. He is declaring something that these clothes are expensive. Okay. Next example is hello. It's good to see you. The next sentence is interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence is a type of sentence in which the speaker asks a question. The punctuation mark used in this is known as the question mark. Example, how are you? May I come in? In this, the speaker is asking a question. So, move to next, that is imperative sentence. Imperative sentence is a type of sentence in which the speaker makes a request, gives command, suggestions, or an advice. Means we can say that when we are requesting something or we are giving command or suggestions or an advice, that is known as imperative sentence. Let's see the example. First one is, can you help me? Here he is asking about the help. He is requesting that can you help me? Do not shout in the class. Here the teacher is giving command that do not shout in the class. You can paint this drawing to make it look better. You should visit the dentist. This is the advice that you should visit the dentist. Okay, clear? Now the next one is exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence is a type of sentence in which the speaker shows exclamation, happiness, sadness, etc. Means when we are overexcited, the punctuation mark used in this is shown in the presentation. Please see it, known as the exclamation mark. Some commonly used exclamatory words are hurrah, Allahs, bravo, hush, wow, oh, etc. These are some exclamatory words. For example, bravo, we won the match. Wow, this sketch is wonderful. They are expressing their happiness. So they have used these type of words. Affirmative and negative sentences. These are also 2 types of sentences but do not come under common types. Okay. So first one is affirmative. Affirmative is when the speaker wants to state something positive. Means when our sentence is positive, that is known as affirmative sentence. Means the weather is so hot today. And negative sentence is when the speaker wants to deny or say no to something. Means when the negativeness is there in the sentence, that is known as your negative sentence. For example, I will never play with you again. Now, how to change affirmative sentence into negative sentence. Generally, we can change affirmative sentence to negative sentences without changing the actual meaning of the sentence. For example, Dhruv is more generous than me. This is our affirmative sentence. Now we can change it into a negative, like I am not as generous as Dhruv. Or we can say everybody was present at the meeting. So this we have to make into negative. So negative one is nobody was absent at the meeting. So these are some examples. Please note something, that we often use contractions of the negative when we speak. Like first one is do not. We can say do not as don't, does not doesn't, did not didn't, must not mustn't, would not wouldn't, are not aren't, would not wouldn't, were not weren't, should not shouldn't. So now let's move to next topic, yes or no questions. There are some questions which can be answered with yes or no. Such sentences mostly begin with is, do, has or can. Example, can you do my work? No, I can't. Will you make breakfast for me? Yes, I would. Next one is informative questions. Some information seeking questions begin with words such as what, which, when, where, why, and how. These are called WH words. Such questions cannot be answered with a yes or no. Okay. Which sweet would you like to have? How are you planning to finish all this work? When is Rabia going out? So we cannot give these questions answer into yes or no. So this is known as your informative questions. Okay. Now move to next, that is our question tags. A question tag is a mini question joined at the end of a sentence. It is used when we want to confirm something. For example, you will remember the meeting, won't you? Rekha is going to the market, isn't she? Examples of question tags means that how we will use question tags. So just look in this table. First one is they are British, means when our sentence is in the form of are, so our question tag will become in the aren't form, like they are British, aren't they? Okay, this is aren't they is our question tag. Next one is he is studying architecture, isn't he? Jack and Suzanne have moved, haven't they? You will come to the party, won't you? You were at school on Friday, weren't you? David was working on the project, wasn't he? You had lived in London before, hadn't you? So these are some questions tag which we have seen. Now just look at one more table, that is question tags used in sentences. When the sentence is in the positive, the question will be in the negative form. When the sentence is in the negative form, the question should be in the positive form. Okay. First one is she is American, isn't she? You study English, don't you? You were at home, weren't you? Here the sentence is in the positive form and the question which we are tagging is in the negative one. Okay. So we can see some examples of negative sentence and positive tags. She isn't American, is she? You don't study English, do you? You weren't at home, were you? Tom wasn't watching TV, was he? So these are some sentences which we have seen. I hope you understood the topic.